Hey everyone, Paul Giese, Sales Specialist here at LDV. And today we're going to take a look at LDV's new lithium-ion battery option for our tool trucks. Let's take a look. Alright, so the first thing to notice is that these batteries are stored in our standard exterior storage box. The reason for that, these are heated so they can be used in hot or cold climates. So these batteries come in two options, either 100 amp hour or here we're showing the 270 amp hour option. Your LDV sales consultant would work with you and determine the best package based on your power requirements of your build. So a couple of primary benefits of these lithium-ion batteries. First of all, you can see no watering. They are completely maintenance free. So you do not need to do the monthly watering like you do with the lead acid batteries. Secondly, the lifespan of these batteries is much longer than their standard lead acid. These batteries have a 8-year full replacement warranty and an additional 2-year prorated warranty. So they're going to last you much longer than the standard lead acid batteries. So the initial cost of these lithium-ion batteries is a little higher than your standard lead acid. However, the longer lifespan and also the maintenance-free aspect is a benefit to help offset that additional upfront cost. If you have any questions about these lithium-ion batteries or want additional information, give your sales consultant a call.